Hey there, Travis, the digital marketing nomad, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without making your own videos. And if you like more videos like this, please subscribe. I put out content regularly on how to make money online and how to work from home. And this technique I'm going to show you makes a lot of money, but it might not be the best long-term way to make money. And so if you're interested in more of a long-term income in business, click on the link in the first link in the description below, and it's going to take you to this page. This course is a 100% free course taught by Zach Crawford. Why I love and trust Zach is because he doesn't use fancy cars or giant income statements to prove his success. He does it through his students. And if you click on See My Success Stories, you can see students from all over the world: Canada, the US, Costa Rica, Indonesia, and many more. But let's get into this. So I'm going to show you a few examples on how people are doing this, and then at the end I'm going to show you how to actually do this. So here's the first one, Open Mind. I'm going to show you this website on Social Blade. It's just a way to see people's YouTube channels, how they're doing, roughly how much they're making. So this isn't huge income, but hey, it's better than a kick in the teeth, right? Yearly, you use about half this, and it's a bit more accurate what people say. So still, he's making like an extra $9,000 a year, which is a nice little extra income. And again, not even creating his own videos. The next one I'm going to show you is the Highlight Factory. So this is around football highlights. And if you go to Social Blade, he's making about $75,000 a year, again, not making his own videos. This other person, Jason A., over 1 million subscribers. So if you do this right and you do it consistently, you can get results. And if you and just to show you how to pull this information if you want to do it yourself here. If you go to the YouTube channel that you're looking at and you're wanting to put into Social Blade, you want to take the info after /user in this example, or if we go back to the Highlight Factory /channel. So for this, we would take the No Life 127, put it into here, push enter, and just going to obviously reload it. But Jason A. is making over $100,000 a year just posting other people's videos. And so here's some examples across different industries on people that are actually making results doing this. And now let's get into how they do it. So let's use travel. I love to travel. So if you type in anything into Google, into YouTube, and you just push enter, this is what's going to pop up. Now, you can't just take anybody's video. You'll get penalized if you don't do this properly. So what you have to do is, for a topic that you're wanting to look into, I would suggest topics that are more trending. And so with travel, let's just go to filter, and we want to click on Creative Commons. Now what this allows us to do is we can reuse these videos. So what I would do is I would scroll through these and find ones that have lots of views. And so as we're scrolling here, this one is a good example. It has a lot of views with not a lot of subscribers. So this is not just because of their subscribers that are pushing these numbers up. So what we do is we click on the video. I'm just going to pause the video here. Now, just to double check and make sure that this is Creative Commons and you won't be penalized for using it, if you click on Show More in the description, if it loads here for me, and you scroll to the bottom of the description here, it says the license, Creative Commons reuse is allowed. So just to double check, you want to make sure that is there, because otherwise, if it's not Creative Commons and you do upload it, you will get penalized, and you will, I believe you only need to get 3 chances, 3 strikes, and then you can lose your YouTube channel. So it's Creative Commons. Now, to download this, what we want to do is there's many ways. If you have a plugin already that allows you to download, you can do that. I use a website called Clip Converter. Let's try this again here. And all you do is you copy and paste the URL of the video. So for this one here, and we're going to paste it in here. Command V or Control V if you're on a computer and you want to use short codes. And then all you do is click continue once you put the description in. I will let you know that there is an ad that pops up. If you just close it, go back to the thing, we'll be fine. Why I use Clip Converter is it allows you to download it in 1080p. I don't know of another site or tool that offers you to download in 1080p. If there is a video and you know a way to download 1080p a different way, please let me know in the comments below. It'd be greatly appreciated. And then all you do is you just click download and it will download to your computer. And once this downloads, let's see. Oh, sorry, that, and then you click start. And it's going to download. And then all you're going to do is you're going to upload it. Now, what I recommend doing is using creating a different thumbnail. And the place I use to make thumbnails is completely free. It is called Canva. I will leave a link in the description below for it. And all you do is we want to do a thumbnail. So you go to YouTube and it's going to show you different templates you can use. Now, you just want to make something that stands out, that catches people's eye. So you can do this by making it more clickbaity, or to kind of do the opposite of what it is. So maybe you're doing blank wrong to help kind of entice people to click. So with here, there's all these different templates, free and paid. So whatever you want to do, let's just use, let's say this one, for example. So you can move things around, bigger, smaller, change the fonts, change the colors. It's just very easy to use. You can color some of the text a different color within the text blocks. So it's really easy to do. There's filters on the images, so you can easily change the filters. And you would create a thumbnail that stands out. Now, just for saving time here, I'm not going to create one. And what we do once that video downloads, no, for some reason it's not working. But once you download the video, then you would upload it. And all you do is you click on the create a video, upload video. Okay, so then you're going to upload a video. I'm just going to use a video that I've had previously here for this example. You just drag it in, and then it's going to upload. And then the thumbnail that you created in Canva, I have some YouTube plugins here, that's why it takes a little bit longer to scroll down. But you just see video thumbnails and click on custom thumbnail, and you would take the thumbnail that you created here in Canva, click download, and wherever you downloaded it, upload it to the video. And then make sure you put a good title, description, some YouTube tags. I will link to a video I did on YouTube tags in the description below as well. And then you push publish. Now, I'm just going to cancel this because this isn't the video that I want on my channel. Once you have done this, you want to do this daily or even multiple times a day if you want to get traction and get results and start bringing in income like Jason A's channel or anything like that. So if you found value in this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, Travis, the Digital Marketing Nomad.